Hello, this is the Corona Family 2019. We're going to teach you how to make solar panels.
Okay, so I got these solar panels from Windy City. Each one of these is 100 watts. But what I want to do is I want to try to put them together as like one panel. I already put two of them together before, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to put them together. What I'm going to be doing is it comes with these nice clips like this, these angle brackets. So I mounted these angle brackets to here, and what we're going to do is basically attach them to here to put two panels together. And I got some liquid nails. I'm going to put it inside here, and we're going to attach them all together. So let me show you how we're going to do this. First of all, what I want to do is use this part right here as call it my top. Okay, so then we're going to take the panel, we'll lift it up, we're going to bring it over here. We gently place the panel down like this. Okay, now that we have one panel right here, don't scrape it like that. But now we're going to take this here, and I'm going to have to adjust these clips. But basically, what it is these clips will go about like this. And you'll notice when I put these clips like here, they'll go over the framework, and there's like two clips per one. Okay? So let me just show what they're going to look like when you hook them together. A little tight, but basically it's going to clip right inside here like this and like this, like that. Now I got two other panels that are going to go extend off of this one, but for right now we're just going to put this like this. Now, for the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to we have liquid nails. This is great stuff, kind of messy. I'm going to lift it off. Put it down here like this, and then I'm going to put this here and just squeeze this gently in here, gently, because you don't want to get any on top of the panel. That would be bad. So squeeze it in the clip here and here. We'll also put some on top, but you'll see that afterwards. Now what we're going to do is we're going to gently, I got this just the way I want it, like right here. Lift it up. Ta-da! You notice the clips are perfect because that's exactly what they're made to do, is to fit in here like this. Okay? I'm going to put some on top, but that's going to be afterwards. Oh, actually, we're going to do it right now because I got some on the ground. I'm going to put a little bit. We're going to put a little bit along the top here. See? This will seal this in. I'm going to put it, you see I'm putting it on the frame, but I'm not getting it on the panel, the front panel itself. This will seal it in here like this. And I got some more here. I like to do this by hand just to make sure I don't make too much of a mess. Okay. A little bit more. There, then I'll seal it in there nice once it dries. But we don't want to stop any light from coming out from coming onto the solar panels here. Okay, so let's give this a try. See, this kind of smooth it out a little bit. That's good. It doesn't have to be perfect just to get it in there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the other side. And we're going to add another panel. Now I have a rag here, good t-shirt. Make sure you wipe off your hands really good. You don't want to get any of that stuff on there. So I got 4 panels, each 100 watts, so that makes it 400 watts of power that we're doing. Again, check to see. This is my top. So everything's consistent. Bring this panel over here. Now, I'm taking the panel carefully and make sure, just double checking it's lined the way I want to. Yeah, it's in, a third of the way, like that. And I'm going to put another panel on this one. But I want to get a piece of wood under here Let's see here. Wait 1 second. Let me just grab something. Oh, here it is. This is what I'm looking for. This is going to go under here like this. Just to hold it up a bit. And now we've got the caulk, or I should say liquid nails. And put a little squeeze, just a little bit. Here, and in here. And here, and in here. That's good. And once this is all put together, it'll be like one gigantic frame. Put the nail back in so it doesn't go all over the place. Get a little bit there, a little bit there. Okay. Do this right, you shouldn't see the liquid nails really. Now, let's see if this works. Line them up. Drop them in. You don't necessarily want to go in where you want to all the time, but it is just, come on. Come on. Come on. I'm trying to get it in there, the slot. I know, I'm trying my best here. Oh. Trying to get it in. It's not, it doesn't want to go in. The other one did, but this one doesn't. It's going to be difficult. It's supposed to be difficult. Alright, this is what we're going to have to do. Okay, wipe off my hands. This is risky. Come on. Aha, got one here. Come on. No, 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 no. Don't come apart on me. Well, pause the video and we'll come back. We're gonna come back, okay?
No.
No. What do you think this is, entertainment?
Dad, the reason how do you even pause the video?
I don't know.
You can't even pause the video, so.
We'll have to keep going.
Yeah.
We're not gonna give up, right?
Yeah, I can't just pause the video. I don't know how to pause the video anyway.
Okay. Come on. There's one.
This would be hopeless because...
Aha! I got it!
Dad, this would be hopeless because the people that want to put solar panels on that don't know how to put them on, you can tell them how to put them on.
That's right. That's the idea. I'm trying to help people.
So
Yes.
that's why we're making a video to put them on
I did
YouTube.
it! So you see the clips?
To
How
tell
I
them
hooked them on there? Now when this is together, this will be like one piece. I'm so excited.
Dad.
Now, I just have to make one adjustment.
Are you going to try to
I
make
want this lined up. Oh gosh. I want this lined up over here though.
Are you going to try to make... Are you going to try to make... Are you going to try to make them laugh in the video?
Well, I'm trying to make it entertaining. Alright, so now we got these two here. Like that. I got that along the edge. I have an extra here. There's a reason for that. I'll show you that
You're
afterwards.
also trying to do instructions for the people that want to put on solar panels and don't know how.
That's right.
And if the person doesn't know how and they know how
Are they
to,
recording still?
yeah,
Okay.
and they don't know how to do it now, they would give you a like for doing this video. We can do more videos if they
Okay.
like.
Hold on. Let me. Okay. Now, so now look, as you see, what I'm doing is I'm taking a little liquid nails.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
I'm sealing this up here.
Are we gonna do more videos, Dad?
Yes, this is part 1. Uh-oh.
It was just the wood,
Okay.
not the wood, though.
The box. All right, so get a little in here, nice and neat. This will seal this baby right up.
Also, you're gonna make a video of me and put on YouTube because I'm gonna do a funny one because so I can get likes because I want to be a funny video for me. After this one, and they give you a likes, it's gonna be my turn for you to do something to me.
Okay. All right, so now we got
With music, Dad. With music.
this music.
Yeah.
La 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 la.
They're trying to make you laugh.
All right, so now, as you see here, we now have, this is hooked, the way it was hooked, now we have a framework. Well, now what we're going to do additionally is, I have to adjust the hooks, but I'm going to basically do this the other side. And once it's all set, I have another setup that's over by the pool area that is going to hook to these two and make 4. So this will be almost 10 feet wide.
How are you gonna put them on?
Huh? Okay, but for now, that's the end of this video right now. This is part 1, and the next time I see you, we'll have the other parts next to each other, and I'll show you how to hook those two together. And then the fun part comes where you hook it up electrically. This is a little bit tough, and but it's not too bad. All right, so until then, see you in the next video. Bye.
Have the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.